Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today we are going to be making some gift card holders. Yes, I don't know about you guys, I love to receive gift cards and I love to donate gift cards as Christmas presents, so the recipient can do anything they want. I will also showcase my gift card that I have on my website, because I know a lot of you have gifted that for themselves and also to somebody else. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you really soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. On Monday, you saw me making my Christmas cards using my sweet Christmas digital papers. I have got some papers here. It's basically this kit here, and of course I will put the link down below if you guys want to go and check it out. But it's basically a digital kit that is full of sweets, cakes, just what I love. So there's some embellishments as well, but anyway, you saw me using these papers on Monday when I made, I think there's 15 all of my Christmas cards for this year, and well, some of them excuse me, and I have used the Stampin' Up! Frosted Gingerbread. So in case you guys missed, I will put the link down below. I love that. Got this from eBay, and I've got the stamps and the dies. So oopsie. So today I wanted to make a gift card holder, because for Jamie, every year I buy him, well, he has a main present. This year he wants a designer sunglasses. I won't do any names or don't do advertisements here on YouTube. Anyway, so it's got them. I bought them from, put it this way, it's from a very famous Italian brand that he loves and I love. So it's on its way from Italy. Hopefully I should get them in the next couple of days. But anyway, and I always buy him bits and pieces, like get some pants, some socks. Guys, I don't know about you, I'm now talking to ladies, okay? Ladies, does your husband's brother's partner, friend ever buy socks or pants? Well, I do myself, but Jimmy doesn't. So if it was for him, he won't buy himself underwear. He just said, no, just something that I won't buy myself. Of course, I do buy him underwear. So I tend to buy little, you know, pants and socks and things like this. And he gets, on Christmas Eve, he gets a Christmas Eve box. Yes, it's 35 years old, but I love to do that for him, because on Christmas Eve, we both work very long hours, and, you know, we come home from work and it's just the two of us. Sometimes he goes to see his brother and his wife, while I'm probably working till probably 8 o'clock at night. Yes, welcome to retail. Welcome to silly hours. So I work very, very late on Christmas Eve. So when I come back home from work, we have something to eat for dinner, and then before we go to bed, I give him his Christmas Eve box, and in here there is always a PJ. I always buy him a PJ, and I'll always give him a gift card from, again, I don't want to do any names, a very famous coffee shop here in UK. Well, there are a few, to be fair, but he likes this specific one. I do like that too. It's my favorite. So I'm gonna buy him a gift card to put in here. So I thought, right, let me make a gift card holder. Now, I've done one last year, which is completely different from this. Put the link down below and at the end of the video as well. But what I wanted to show you, talking about gift card, is that you can also buy my gift card from my website. I always find gift card, people think the gift card are a lazy way to buy a Christmas present. I completely disagree. Not because we don't know what to buy or we haven't got to buy, but I think gift cards are the best way to say, in this case, of course, we're talking about coffee. So Jamie will have, I don't know, 5 coffees for free or 6 coffee for free on me as my little treat. So, and you will have it. But if you buy craft, so many people have lots of craft supplies, but I always think you cannot have enough papers, especially if digital papers that you can just save on your computer, just print the pages as and when. So the gift card is something that you guys buy from me. Is really bizarre because you always buy around Mother's Day and Christmas. I don't really get any sale throughout the year, which is, it makes me smile, but I can totally see the point. But anyway, I'll show you in just a minute my gift card on my website. But yeah, gift card I think is the best way to say somebody, treat yourself with anything that you want, it's on me. That's the way I see gift card. Anyway, my god, 5 minutes, I'm not done anything. Right, what I designed, and I'm not going to do any tutorial or anything like this, is literally, it's not Roxanne's, it's a card, okay, it's a little folio, call it like that. That's the back, and I had tons of scraps left over from the Monday's video when I made the Christmas cards. So I thought, let's use the scraps to make a gift card. So it's basically a card, okay, as I said. So I'm just going to write a little message there, and that's the back, which matches the front. I love this candy cane. And on top of this card, I made a little gift card holder. So basically, it was a rectangle piece. It's a rectangle piece, cut in 3 sections, score it there, and then on here you just cut a diagonal line, and then you just fold that over, simple as. So you get this little pocket. So just get one of my trees, you get a pocket there. So this is where the gift card is going to go, okay. And then, so what I've done, this rectangular folder, so imagine, in fact, let's just do it together, why not? So I'm not even measuring anything, but let's pretend these 3 sections are equal. Okay, then get my scissors, and then you just cut the diagonal line, fold it over, glue there, fold it over, and then you just stick on top of your card. Simple as, no rocket science. But I thought just a little way to you can do the same if you make journals. So if this is a page of your journal, you can create a little folio into your journal, so something a bit different. And you can start with tags. You don't have to put a gift card, but you can put tags, you can put ephemera. Oh god, that is the challenge, to tie a bow. I'll try my very best. Of course I had to put a gold ribbon. So yeah, so if you do like journals, you can create this little, it's like a secret hidden pocket, if you wish, where you can put tags, you can put ephemera. Oh, I've done it actually. Ephemera, you can, nothing stops you to put a gift card in your journal, or a photo, a postcard, anything that you guys want. And I think this is just a little cute idea, because he wouldn't know what to do with this unless I tell him open it, because he wouldn't literally open that and close it. Then I will say, oh, there is a little pocket, here you go. Okay, let me show you my gift card on my website. Okay guys, so this is my website, antoniomakes.com. So this is the home page. Also, what I wanted to show you, so this is the price set in British pound. So sometimes if you live, for example, I don't know, USA or Europe, the website might automatically change the price in your currency. So for example, I changed that into dollars, but these prices changes daily because of the currency change daily. So if you buy from a country that is not British, like UK, that is set up as a British pound, you might find that my prices change, but it's not me changing the prices. It's just that the USD dollars display varies in base of the currency. So yeah, just a little disclaimer. I don't know why I told you this, but anyway. So if you click on gift card, if I click on it, yes. So you can't go wrong with a gift card. The chosen amount, write a personalized message to make this gift your own. Okay, so you can select the amount that you wish to gift. So for example, £5 quantity, and then is your gift for someone else or for yourself? So if it's for yourself, you just buy yourself and you get £5 to spend, I don't know, in February or March or April, when you know that maybe budget is a bit tight. If it's for someone else, you put the person, the recipient email address, name, when you want the gift card to be delivered. So I don't know, if you do a Secret Santa, for example, or something, I don't know, you want to be sending a specific day. It can be Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, 27, Boxing Day, can be any day, and then the message. And then you just put it in your basket and carry on. And then this system will automatically send the recipient of your email a lovely message that you guys write and the amount, and then the person will be able to spend whatever is selected and treat themselves. I think this is brilliant, and yeah, I think it's a really good good gift to give. And also, guys, while I'm here, don't forget to check your loyalty program. It's completely free. So every time you purchase any of my kit, you accumulate points. Okay, so check out your account, because you might have some points that you don't know you have. Okay, and also don't forget to spend your point, because you get 10 stars for every £1 spent, and then you get rewards every 200 stars or every 400 stars. Okay. Yes, I hope I gave you some ideas and inspiration. Again, you don't have to be a gift card. It can be anything that you like. Today, big shout out goes to the lovely Elaine. Elaine left a comment on one of my recent butterfly video that she enjoyed the butterflies and she enjoyed my freebie. And I can say, guys, that from tomorrow, the 1st of December, we will have my freebie advent calendar. So I'm going to do a December daily, one video every single day. In this video, there is a freebie. And I can tell you there are more butterflies freebie coming in the next 25 days. So if you're not already, guys, make sure you subscribe, and all the freebies will be available in my Facebook group. But anyway, everything will be say in the video tomorrow. So don't forget, 1st of December, 25 freebies for 25 days. Before we go, just want to finish with a quote. This is my 365 days of calm, and it's a collection of quotes, affirmation and activities to bring calmness every day. Today's number 28. It isn't what we say or think that defines us, but what we do. Absolutely, that is so true. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big, huge thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. And if you're new here, please subscribe. Really, really appreciate your love and support. Guys, reminder, from the 1st of December up to 25th of December, Christmas Day, I'm going to do a daily December video. So every single day throughout the full month of December, I'm going to do a freebie a day. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. 2 more videos, guys, if you want to keep watching. One where we made a last minute gift Christmas cards, and another video we done last week, how to make some very easy and quick Christmas cards using one of my favorite digital papers. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until Friday, stay safe and well. Bye.